Imagine having an extra $1,000 in just 30 days. It might seem impossible, but with a clear plan and disciplined execution, it's absolutely achievable. Stay tuned to discover how. First, set a clear goal and break it down. Saving $1,000 in a month means putting aside about $33.33 each day or $250 per week. This makes the process less overwhelming. Track every expense. For the next 30 days, commit to tracking every single penny you spend. Use tools like Mint, YNAB, or a simple spreadsheet to identify wasteful spending. Analyze your spending patterns. Look for categories where you're overspending, such as eating out, entertainment subscriptions, and impulse purchases. It's time to make some tough decisions. Cut non-essential spending. Reduce your grocery bill by meal planning, buying in bulk, avoiding processed foods, and using coupons. Small changes can lead to big savings. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions. Reassess your streaming services and memberships. Cancel any that you don't use regularly or can live without for a month. This small sacrifice could save you $50 to $100 or more. Cut back on transportation costs. Consider carpooling, taking public transport, or biking to work. Reducing wear and tear on your car can save you in maintenance costs down the line. Increase your income. Pick up a side hustle or monetize your skills. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit offer opportunities for freelance or gig work. Every extra dollar counts. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account. This way, the money is out of sight and out of mind, ensuring you don't spend it. Review and adjust as needed. Continuously review your progress, adjust your plan, and celebrate small wins. This will keep you motivated and on track to reach your $1,000 savings goal.